Yeah, y'all. Hustle, man. Back at you. Got me a little small project, y'all. It's an easy one. 2014 Dodge Durango. We're gonna pull it in and we're gonna install a new crankshaft position sensor on it. It's pretty easy. Pretty easy. I mean, you can do it. You can do it. The only thing you're gonna need to do this job is a 10 millimeter ratchet. You got a couple clips that's on the harness of the crankshaft sensor. You can pull those clips off with just a regular screwdriver. But if you have something, like a clip puller or something like that, will come in handy. But yeah, let's get it in here. You only got one 10 millimeter bolt that's holding the sensor. Once you get that bolt off, there's a plug on the harness there. There's a little red tab that you have to push down and pull out to get the plug off of the sensor. You're gonna find the crankshaft sensor on the passenger side of the engine of the vehicle. It's like right there behind the right side engine mount. You'll see it. There's a little heat shield that's covering it. If you don't see it when you first get up under there, you'll see a little silver heat shield that's covering it.